Hey guys, I'm just going to do an unboxing video. As you can see, I got the iPad 10-watt USB power adapter. I know the iPad already comes with one, but I wanted, because I got a dock for this, and I'm going to put it behind my desk with this power adapter, so I've got an extra one, and it has a longer cable, so let's get into the box. Alright, let's get my trusty Cabela's knife, $5, really cheap. I think it was on clearance. I always have trouble with these ones. I don't know why. Okay. I think we can just pull that off. Alright, let's open it. If I can. Alright, there we go. As you can see, there's the long power cord. Slide it out. And let's see what's else. 10-watt USB power adapter. Let's see. Just a little guide on information. And in different languages. Okay. Oh, and it has another one in here, and it says, let me get it out. It says, you know what it is, the 1-year limited warranty there. I couldn't get it out. Be in pain. Alright. To open this, let's pull this off. Okay. Let's pull this one off. Okay. Alright, here's the long. I believe it says it's 6 feet. I'm pretty sure this is 6 feet. So, set that to the side. And as it just springs out, I'm pretty sure it doesn't like to be wrapped in a coil. Alright, there's another compartment right here that slides the brick out. Let's open this up. Where? You know, I always have trouble with these powered bricks. I can't find where to open them. I think I just opened them right here. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys, this thing's a pain in my butt. Oh, it has a tab but it came off, so. Okay, there's it is. It all slides down. And, yeah, this is strong on there. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Alright, there we go. It's metal this time. Last time I had it, it was plastic, so that didn't make me too happy. But here's the prong. And this would simply, as it falls, let me grab it. Okay. The long cord would simply slide into this like that. Alright. And let me grab the sync cable and slide that off. Alright, and this one's about, I think it's 3 feet. Pretty sure it's like, maybe it's 6. Let me see. No, it's about 3 feet. Alright, 3 feet for this. And then it would plug into like that. And then you would plug this end into your iPad. Here, let me show you real fast. I'm pretty sure all you know how to plug this in. As I need to flip it. There you go. That's in. Then you can plug it in and charge it. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll be back for more videos soon. Alright, thanks guys.